How to file a complaint in Agoda. Hello everybody, in order to file a complaint in Agoda, you may follow up the steps. So for that, you may head over to agoda.com or even open up the application Agoda in your device. And once you open it up, you should be finding a login interface. You can use that in order to log in into your Agoda account, your application. So what you can do is from the home interface, let me just go ahead and head over to my home interface first. Once you're on the home interface to file a complaint with Agoda, you can utilize their messaging platform within the app of the website. So if you're on the website, you can go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top to open up a menu. And from the given menu, in order to access the Help Center, you may scroll down and look for the Help Center option, which is under About Us. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once you go ahead and go to the Help Center, if you need to personalize assistance or your questions, so you can look for this option called Contact Agoda Customer Service. Otherwise, what you can do is you can look out for this articles given. You can just go ahead and do that, or you can also look out for this headphone icon in the bottom right corner in order to tap it. Open it up. So let's head over to Contact Agoda Customer Service for now. So here you can, in this type of message here, you can clearly explain your complaint and provide any relevant information such as your booking confirmation details, dates, and the specific issue that you're experiencing right now. You can just go ahead and type in that, and then you can keep in touch with the Agoda customer service to ensure your complaint is being addressed and resolved. So this is, you can follow what you can do in order to file a complaint in Agoda for now. It will allow you to manage your bookings and potentially resolve some issues even independently. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.